Okay, number one, we have a television director scheduling a certain sponsors commercials for a broadcast. So there's 6 spots available for the commercials. All right, so let's look at A. If there's 6 spots available, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many ways can each commercial be shown once if there's 6 different commercials? So to keep it simple, we'll just call them commercial A, B, C, D, E, and F. So the answer to 6A is just going to be 6 factorial, because the first letter, there's 6 positions to put that first commercial, and once you choose that, there's 5 left for commercial B, and then 4 left for commercial C, and so on and so forth. Okay, so in other words, you have 6 things and you're ordering all 6 of them, and order matters because if you change like commercial C with commercial D, you'll notice. So that's the same thing as 6 factorial. So now with part B, what if there's 3 different commercials, each to be shown twice? So that would be like commercial A, commercial B twice, and commercial C twice. So there's 2 ways to look at this. One is to use distinguishable permutations. You're trying to figure out how many ways can you order those 6 letters. So you could do 6 factorial and then divide by the number of ways each commercial repeats. Because like if you put A there and A there, if you switch them, you wouldn't notice. But it would be different if you put like a B there and a B there versus like a B there and there. So another way to look at it is, okay, we have 6 positions, choose 2 of them to be commercial A. And then now there's 4 left, so times the number of ways to do that, times 4, choose 2. Out of the 4 commercials, choose 2 of them to be commercial B. And then there's 2 spots left, 2 choose 2 is 1, so there's only 1 way to place those 2. Now this, if you wrote it out in factorials, would be the same thing as that. So either way, multiplying combinations together or distinguishable permutations, which is also known as the Mississippi rule. So if you use the Mississippi rule for C, that's 2 different commercials shown 3 times. So it's how many ways can you order these letters? So like that's 1 way. It could look like this. But like if you switched around like those 2 B's, it wouldn't change anything. So using the Mississippi rule, that'd be 6 factorial, because there's 6 letters, and then each one repeats 3 times. So that would be the answer for C. And then for D, well, 3 different commercials, each to be shown, one to show 3 times, the other one shown twice, and the third one once. So that'd be 6 factorial, and then divide by the number of times each commercial repeats.